This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
In the mix of a 10-day series, Dominate Your Market in 90 Days, a step-by-step guide to grow your revenue. It's a book that I wrote in September of 2019 to help you grow your business, give you an action plan to do it. Today, we are on Chapter 3, Building Your Prospect List. This is the beginning of any marketing campaign, identifying your target audience. However, building a prospect list goes a step further and actually identifies specific people and their contact information. With this beginning exercise, I want you to write down the following: title, job description of your targeted prospects, location, city, state, region of your targeted prospects, shared characteristics of your targeted prospects. Now, go find 10 individuals who fit these criteria. Open an Excel spreadsheet, list their name, business address, phone number, email address, and website. Each day during this 90-day period, your task will be to add one additional name to this list and replacing any names that you lose. At the end of the 90-day period, you will have a list of 100 targeted prospects with complete contact information. Your process daily will be to connect with 10 people on the list. Your connections will happen one of the following ways. Send the prospect an introductory email. Just introduce yourself, your business, and provide a little personal tidbit about you. Don't sell. Text the prospect a follow-up or thank you. Don't sell. Message the prospect on social media with a link to an article that you found helpful and why they might like it. Don't sell. Like and comment on a social media post on at least 2 platforms. Don't sell. You're probably starting to see the light that you aren't selling. Why? You have to begin to build credibility. The sales funnel is know, like, and trust. A person can't buy from you until they trust you, and they won't trust you until they know and then like you. Be patient with the process. It will reap huge rewards in a very short period. This whole thing of building your prospect list, different people call it different things. Ryan Stewart calls it build your machine. But having a prospect list that you go after and you pursue on a daily basis is what's going to help you grow your business more than anything else you can do. Trust me, there's a ton of activity in here related to multiple activities. But getting this chapter right and getting this process right is critical to your success. Get your prospect list dialed in so you can dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.